Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to share with you how to insert NYE, small letter and capital letter NYE in Microsoft Office, meaning it can be applicable in Microsoft Word, Excel, and PowerPoint and the rest of other software. So first, to insert NYE symbol, click insert and then click the symbol here. Click here, and then for instance you cannot find NYE here in the recent list. You can click more symbols, click here, and then you make sure that at the font tab here is the normal text. So this time you look for NYE here. Okay, exactly 8 clicks on the arrow down, you can see the NYE capital. Okay, just first click this one, and then you can actually assign a shortcut key for the NYE capital, so that the next time you insert, you just simply press the assigned key you assigned. Okay, so by clicking this one, NYE, and then click the shortcut key here at the bottom, and then you can assign now. So this is actually the default shortcut key. You can simplify that one by simply clicking here your shortcut box or new shortcut key. You can press, I am going to assign control, holding down the control and then press the 1. Okay, so that's my assigned shortcut key for capital NYE. Okay, so you click assign. Okay, so next you can close this one, and then click the small NYE, and then if you're going to click insert, it will insert here. So if you're going to click insert, it will actually insert here. If you click insert, it will automatically insert. So this time we're going to assign the small NYE for a shortcut key, so that it maximizes your time typing this symbol, inserting this symbol. So okay, you can select this one and then click the shortcut key here, and then you can assign this one to control 2. So hold down the control and then press 2. Okay, so your capital is control 1, and then your small NYE is assigned to control 2. Okay, you click assign. Okay, you can close this window, and then this time you can close this one, and then this time let us try pressing the new shortcut key you assign. Okay, so control 1. Okay, and then you press control 2, control 2, control 2, control 1, control 1. Okay, that's the easiest way to assign a shortcut key for small and capital NYE if you're using a laptop. Okay, so another way, if you're using a laptop, you just make sure that there is a numlock key, the uppercase, and then you just simply press the FN or the function key below, beside the window key. You hold down the FN and then press the numlock above. So you can do that also for laptop that has numlock key above. Okay, another way is, for instance, this one, if you're using a desktop keyboard like this with numeric keypad, so you can actually also do this one. So another way to insert small NYE here is to hold down the Alt here. Hold down meaning you press, do not release. Okay, before you hold down, you press first the numlock. This one, press, and then make sure that the light is on. That is an indicator that numlock is on. So if this is on, it's light, meaning you can now hold down the Alt. Down meaning you press, do not release, and then press the 1, the 6, and the 4, then release Alt. Okay, then that will display a small NYE. So for capital NYE, okay, so you can hold down the Alt, make sure that the numlock is on also, then press 1, 6, 5, then release the Alt to display the capital NYE. Actually, NYE is a symbol that is on the ASCII code. So meaning assigned number is 165 for the ASCII code, or American Standard Code Formation Interchange. Okay, you can research that one on Google. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing, hit the notification bell so that you will be updated all the videos, educational videos, tutorials, science, templates. Okay, so that's all how to insert small NYE and capital NYE in Microsoft Office software. Thank you so much for watching.